In this video I'm going to talk you through a deep engine bay clean. Firstly, I cover all of the electrical components with either foil or a plastic bag. In this case I'm going to use foil. Foil creates a waterproof barrier and is also easy to mould around these components. With modern engine bays this step isn't 100% crucial, however just to be on the cautious side I would recommend it. Now the electrical components are covered, I liberally spray a degreaser, which in this case is Built Hamber Surfex diluted 1 part product and 9 parts water. Underneath the bonnet is also sprayed with a degreaser and then rinsed with a stream of high pressured water. Before tackling the engine bay, and to allow the degreaser enough time to soak, I clean underneath the bonnet. To do this, I apply the degreaser again and use a handful of brushes to clean these areas. Now onto the engine bay. Now the degreaser has had plenty of time to dissolve the grease, I rinse the entire engine with a stream of low pressured water. The degreaser is then sprayed over the entire engine again and agitated with a variety of brushes. And although this brush is a wheel brush, it allows me to gain access to the hard to reach areas. After this, the engine bay is rinsed thoroughly and all the foil is removed before drying. Now on to drying the engine. If you don't have compressed air or a blow dryer, a damp microfiber would be absolutely fine. This tool just allows me to thoroughly dry the engine bay and get into the hard to reach areas again. Now the engine is dry, I apply a water-based dressing to give the engine bay this just detailed finish. With a water-based product, you don't necessarily have to wait for the engine bay to be completely dry. Now on to drying the underneath of the bonnet. Again, you can either use compressed air, or in this case, I'm using a damp microfiber with a spritz of quick detailer spray. I hope you've all enjoyed this short video of how to clean an engine bay. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below.